Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we are going to be using VBA to create pivot table with your favorite presentation. In our daily operations, we always need to create pivot with same data source. For example, we may need to summarize a monthly sales data with exactly same format. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the macro recorder to record the step we create our pivot table, and then customize the code so that we can generate the pivot table more efficiently. Okay, let's go for it. In this example, I have two sales data here. One is from 2019 and another is from 2020. I'm going to record the step for creating a pivot table for 2019. I'll start by clicking the record macro under the developer tab. And I want to name it create my pivot table by item, and store the macro in personal macro workbook, and then click OK. I'll select the top left corner of my data and then click insert. In the table groups, click pivot table. A dialog box appears and Excel automatically stacks the data for us. Click OK. The pivot table fields pane appears, and to get the total sales quantity for each item, I'm going to drag the item name field to the rows area and the sales quantity fields to the value area. I also want to categorize the item by country of origin, so I'll drag the country of origin above the item name. I also want to know the situation of which the orders come from, so I will drag the order country to the column area. Great, we have made the pivot table in the format we want. Now we can stop the macro. In order to reuse that code to automate this work in the future, I'll go inside the Visual Basic editor to amend some code to make this work. In these pieces of code, there are a couple of things we need to do. Since the data source should be different, so we need to change the data source of pivot table. And we don't need to specify the switch name, otherwise it may cause error because of duplication. So I'll make the VBA to select the range automatically because the rows of data should be different each time. So I will remark this line. So we can use this line of code to select a new range. And then we can remark some lines. We don't need to add the sheet. And in the source data, we need to change it to selection current region. And also we need to remove the table destination. So now we can hop over to our spreadsheet to try to generate the pivot table. So I changed the switch to 2020, and I'm going to click the macros and run the function that we have already made. So a new pivot table can be generated more efficiently. Great, That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video informative and looking forward to catching you in the next video. See you.